Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's the day after Thanksgiving and I thought I would start with my Christmas decorations. I typically go pretty simple so it's not too hard. So let's see what I do this year. So I'm all done with Christmas decorations. I really didn't do that much. I did a little bit inside and I did a little bit outside. So first I'll show you guys what I did on the inside. So that's what the outside looks like. So far, that is it with my Christmas decorations. I guess I should have waited until I got my tree put up and everything, but I do like to keep it pretty simple. That's why I have like all white lights. I don't even really like colored lights. So leave me a comment down below. Do you guys go all out and decorate the inside and outside of your house? Or do you not decorate at all? Or do you like to keep it pretty simple like I do? Let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Thanks, guys. Bye.